What's up guys, gonna do a review on the Plantronics Backbeat 500 series. So I had to leave the box in America because it was too big. But yeah, so it comes with this, which isn't like some safety thing. Some other stuff. And more. But that's the, I think there's one more. Yeah, so that's boring stuff. Comes with this, the cable. It's not always wireless there. Yeah, comes in this bag, along with these headphones. Along with these headphones, you don't have to have them in this green. You could also have them in red, and it comes with this charger. So here's the three main bits. So guys, this is a great set of headphones. Okay, so guys, this is the box it does come in. So this is a different colour of it. So it's comfortable and lightweight, 18 hours of listening. So it is quite comfortable on your head, and it does deliver quite a good sound. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so let's put them on. So I'm just going to show you what it sounds like, so you can hear it. So here's the Bluetooth switch. On.
Power on, battery high, phone 1 connected.
Okay. This is volume. And then this is skip a track. Play, skip, rewind. And that's just the Plantronics logo. Right, so let me find a video with no copyright. Okay, I've not heard this one before.
Volume maximum.
The L and the R obviously is for left and right. So it's obviously got to do like this. So that is maximum volume. So let me turn it down a bit. So it's quite responsive. You can also adjust it on here. The volume rockers, which does alter out on your phone too. Yeah. And when you skip, okay, right, I'll play a playlist. Mix. Okay, right, you see it's there. And go over here, click this button. our display list is rubbish. Okay, right, let's play all of them. Okay, it doesn't work off YouTube. I know it does work off Apple Music though. NCS. I don't know whether it's on here. Okay, right. Okay, right. It's on Earth. Click that button. Okay, right, I've clicked it. And it has changed. Puzzle. Pause. Play. So look. So I press this button. So I was pressing the wrong button before. So it should work on YouTube then. So let's go back to YouTube. Right, I am on YouTube. Playlist. Liked videos. Play. Yep, so it does work. Okay, ready? It's on 2 out of 3. I've not paused this, I have just pressed this button here. Advert. Okay, but overall, these are good set of headphones. Battery is lasting me ages. 3rd time I've used, 4th time actually. And it sounds really good, looks really good. And I have 2. So guys, thank you for watching and please like, comment and subscribe. See you.